How to use grid layouts in Squarespace. So to do that, just click on any section that you want to edit, and you can see in here this view layout. So once you have clicked on that, it will show you some layout suggestions for that particular part of section. However, if you want to add in here a grid layout, what you can do is you click on this add block, and then from in there, just look for the option called grid. So if you can find it, you can also just click on the search option and then search from it right here. Now in here, you can see some map and then as well as some more. So you can search in here for which one you want. So I'll create a grid layout of images. I'll just click onto this image option. And then for example, for this, I'll just resize it. And then I'll create another layer of this. Now I'll just position it right here. And then I'll create another one and then put it right here. Now, once it's been added, I can just head over and select these three together and then duplicate them and then just position them right here. And as you can see, they have been recognized right now as a grid. So that's how you use grid layouts in Squarespace. Hope we helped.